Hello you all, welcome back to another video. This is BNSF 3815. This is part 1 of the SD50 detailing project. So let's go ahead and get the locomotive out of the box and I'll show you all what I've done. So here's the locomotive out of the box. You can see it. So far I've gone in and just opened up the MU hose doors. And all I did was I first masked off all the plow, so I wouldn't damage it. And then I went in with a pin vise, really small bit, and I just drilled in the corners. And then I went in with an X-Acto knife and just kind of cut out the doors. And then I went in with a file and just kind of filed the corner, made sure it was smooth. And then went ahead and added the kind of grab irons that you see normally on these locomotives. Here it is. This AC3400, it's got the grab irons on the plow. So, also I have the plow. I already took the plow off so that it's on the way. Now so the next thing we're going to do is disassemble the locomotive, and that really only consists of taking the couplers out and masking off the locomotive. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to mask off the side windows here, front number boards. We're also going to take off the handrails. So we'll be right back once that process is finished. Alright, so I went ahead and disassembled the locomotive. The chassis is sitting in the background here, but I've disassembled the locomotive. The handrails here. Pretty much everything has been masked off. So now we're going to go ahead and further disassemble the locomotive, and I'll do. Let's take the cab off, because what we're going to be doing is modifying the nose. I'm going to go ahead. I don't know if I'm gonna remove the nose or not. But what I'm gonna go ahead and do now, off camera, is I'm gonna go ahead and remove the 2 class lights. I'm just gonna take a chisel blade and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and chisel off the class lights and basically, yeah, sand them off, and I'll go ahead and paint over it. We'll see what that looks like right when that's finished. Alright, so I've gone in and chiseled off the class lights, the kind of blank outs for it. And I've gone in and I've done my best to touch up the paint. So yeah, if the class light's removed, we're gonna go ahead and we can now go to the next section. So yeah, I've also gone in and I have started painting the handrails white, at least on the ends. So yeah. So that concludes part 1. In part 2, we will begin detailing the locomotive. So that includes air hoses, MU hoses, ditch lights, uncoupling levers, and some of the details. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. As always, this is BNSF 3815 out.